Safer Schools by Brody, Sammy, Isabel, Bailey, and Abigail. Did you know 18 school shootings happened in 2018? We need safer schools so people don't get hurt, so kids don't have to worry, and so kids can learn. You should go check out Reason 1 to figure out more information.
Reason 1. We need to stop breaking into schools because they can go to jail for a long time. School shooting is really bad because it's not safe at all. School shooting is when people have a gun and kill people. School shooting is really bad because kids and teachers die. Sometimes students bring weapons to school. And we need more cameras. Go check out Reason 2 for more information.
Kids shouldn't worry at school. They should only think about focusing and learning at school. You don't have to worry about your kids getting hurt. You should teach your kids what to do in a situation like a school shooting. School shootings should stop now.
We need safer schools because it can cause people to go to jail. No more school shootings. And that's why no one would have to go to jail. When people get shot, they can sometimes come back alive again, and people can die, and people can go check out conclusion.
We need safer schools for everyone, teachers, parents, and students. If we had safer schools, people wouldn't get hurt as much, as kids wouldn't have to worry as much, and kids would be able to focus on their learning. You should care because it would be safe to have security cameras and metal detectors.